You have to understand at the start that there's no one perfect security technique. DNS, protective DNS deals with where's this information coming from to decide whether or not you want to let it pass. Pretty simple. One of the things is it requires a list of who's naughty and who's nice to decide what you want to reject. It turns out that, of course, there's a whole bunch of policy issues here about whether or not you want to view commercials, whether or not you want to view porn, whether or not you want to view sports. All of these things can be tuned, and we're not going to talk about your particular set of choices. But the point is that, again, it's rejecting traffic before it enters your network, so that it's certainly the most efficient way to do it. It's not to say that endpoint protection, your antivirus in your computers, that isn't important, but you have to realize that what that's trying to do is to look inside the content. So A, it has to have received the contents. B, it has to be able to take it apart and understand what's naughty and what's nice. And computer science professors will tell you that it involves a certain amount of computation and you can't do it perfectly. So lastly, the other technique that people use is behavior. What does it do? And that means that you take a piece of suspect material and you put it in what's called a sandbox, and it's a fake environment. You try and see if it's going to do something naughty. Again, this is something that's complicated and so forth, but it's part of a lot of AV products. So really what you want is the fast and easy protective DNS, and then you want antivirus backing it up. But doing it in layers means that if any one layer fails, the others may save you.